Hello everyone. Welcome to the Chunky TV on YouTube. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Today, we are going to talk about identifying the initial, medial, and final sound. Let's start with identifying the initial or beginning sound. What is the initial sound of the word nest? Nest. Correct answer is Letter N has the sound. What is the initial sound of the word pond? Pond. Correct answer is B. B. Letter B has the B sound. What is the initial sound of the word mug? Mug. The correct answer is Letter M has the sound. What is the initial sound of the word pail? Pail. The correct answer is Letter P has the P sound. What is the initial sound of the word vest? Vest. It's V. Letter V has the V sound. Great job, everyone! Now, let's identify the medial sound or the sound in the middle of the word. What is the medial sound of the word blend? Blend. Correct answer is F. F. E has the F sound. Blend. What is the medial sound of the word ant? Ant. The correct answer is N has the sound. What is the medial sound of the word medal? Medal. The correct answer is D. 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 Letter D has the D sound. What is the medial sound of the word six? Six. The correct answer is E. E. I has the E sound. Good job, everyone. What is the medial sound of the word hen? Hen. The correct answer is F. F for E. Let's identify the final sound of the word. What is the final sound of the word balloon? It's N for N. What is the final sound of the word leaf? Leaf. The correct answer is F has the sound. What is the final sound of the word deer? Deer. The correct answer is R. R for R. What is the final sound of the word robot? Robot. The correct answer is T. T. What is the final sound of the word mat? Mat. The correct answer is T. T for T. Identifying the beginning, middle, and ending sound together creates a word. Good job, everyone!